presentation. My name is Rafael Fernando Gutierrez Prieto, and I am from Cuba. I am studying business administration at UNAD in an I go to swim, to watch movies with my family, and to read science fiction books. I also enjoy heading to know new restaurants as I am passionate about food. So one of my favorite plans is to go and discover new flavors. Well, in this video, please I am going to tell you about my last vacation in Santa Elena, Ecuador. After that, I am going to give you a recommendation in which you can thinking about traveling to a place. I am going to tell you about important things to do, what's a good idea to do and not to do that, and what things you need to keep in mind to be safe. And finally, I will give you to this about what you should to do and what to do. So let's start. For my last vacation, I traveled to Santa Elena in Ecuador by bus. The 3 to 8 hours from my city was a long trip, but it was worth it. I went with my family. That made the trip more fun because it is very important to share with them. We were in a great forest for a week, which has large and beautiful swimming pools and delicious buffets with a great variety of food. I like the holidays because I made the sea, the beach, and could share with my family. My wife and my little dog. This was place expensive for everyone, and we really hope we can do it away. Well, now I am going to tell you about some recommendations that you should consider if you are thinking about traveling to Santa Elena in Ecuador. It's important that people use sunscreen protection because the sun can go far. It is a good idea that people wear sunglasses to protect their eyes. It is recommended that children not walk alone on the beach. It is necessary that children not swim in the area of the sea. It is important that people stay hydrated. It is a good idea that people wear a hat. It is important that people don't throw glass on the beach. It is necessary that people pick up glass from beach. Finally, if you think about traveling to Santa Elena, you must have this in mind. First, people should go to Montañita in Santa Elena, Ecuador. It's a beautiful place where you can discover amenities. In addition, the people there are very special and friendly, and you can find beautiful clothes to buy. And second, you should perfect to use sunscreen every day because the skin can suffer when it's exposed to the sun. Well guys, these are my recommendations as you will visit Santa Elena